Hi everyone, this is Arun Reddy here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. And in this video, we are going to learn about date functions like today, now, day, month, year, and date. So friends, if you want to learn Excel and if you don't want to miss my videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my videos. Coming to the date function, let us start with today function. Today function, what it will do, it will return the current date, that is today, and it will return in the format of month, date, and year. So let me type today. Nice. Now you can see it is showing the date 4th April 2021. The first 4 is the month April, second 4 is the date, and third it is the year. Nice, right? So let me move to the next function, which is now. Now is similar to the today's function. The only difference is it will return time along with the date. So let us see how it will work. So I will type is equal to now, open and close, now, right? Now, open and close bracket, enter. Nice. Now you can see it is returning date with time. Nice, right? So let us move to the next function, which is day, month, and year. So day, month, and year, what it will do, it will separate the day, month, and year from a date. For example, I will take this date, which is G4 cell. Okay. So now I want to separate day, month, and year from the date. So how I can do? Just type is equal to day, open bracket, select the date, enter. So immediately it will return what it is returning, 4. 4 is nothing but a date. Nice, right? So let me do the same with the month. So I will type month, month, open bracket, select the date, enter. Nice. It is returning again 4, which is month. Now year. So I will type year, year, open bracket, select the cell, enter. Nice. Now it is returning 2021 as a year. Nice, right? Next function we have is a next function we have is a date function. So previous functions like day, month, year separated a day, right? In reverse to that, this date function will join day, month, and year. So let us see how it will work. So I will type is equal to date, open bracket, select the year first, comma, second it will ask month. So I will select G7, comma, next to G6, which is date, close bracket, enter. Nice. Now you can see it has combined year, month, and date. Nice, right? Let us move to the next example where we add and subtract the date, month, and year. Here you can see I have taken a sample date to add and subtract the date. Okay, so I have taken a sample date which is 3rd April 2021. Now I want to add 30 days to the sample date. 30 days, or let us assume 20 days. So what I will do, I will type is equal to select the date plus 20, enter. Nice. Now you can see if we add 20 days, what it is showing, it is showing 23rd April. Nice. Suppose if you want to subtract 20 days, again is equal to select the date minus 20, enter. Nice. So what it is showing, it's a 14 March. So this is how we can add date. So let us move to the month. Month, to add a month or subtract a month, we use a function called edate. So let me type edate, open bracket. Now let us select the date, comma. Now you have to enter, if suppose if you want to add 3 months, you have to add 3, sorry, you have to write 3. Suppose if you want to subtract 3 months, you have to write minus 3. So now I want to add 3, so I will write 3, enter. Nice. So what it is saying, after 3 months, what will be the date? Date will be 3rd July 2021. Nice. So let us do the subtraction also. So again, edate, open bracket, select the date, comma, this time minus 3, close bracket, enter. Nice. So what it is showing? It is showing 3rd January. So nice, right? So like this we can add and subtract month by using edate function. So let us move to the year. To add year, we don't have separate function, we use the same date function. So e date, open bracket, select the date, comma. Now here I will use a small trick, because e-date will generally calculate months. So what I will do, suppose I want to add 3 years, so I will say 3 into 12, 3 into 12, close bracket, enter. Nice. You can see here, after 3 years, what will be the date? 3rd April 2021 will become 3rd April 2024. Nice. Suppose if you know the years in the form of months, if you can calculate easily, then you can directly write is equal to e date, open bracket, select the date, comma, minus, suppose if you know 36 months, instead of 3 into 12 you know directly, then you can also do it in the form of enter. Nice. So what is the date before 3 years? It is a 3rd April 2018. Nice, right? So this is how we can add and subtract day, month and year. So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.